Promise. What are you people doing here?
Uncle, we are reading.
Reading what? Is this place not a library?
Uncle, in fact, your own is even too much. That's why I want to become a lawyer, so that I'll use it as an example.
In which house? That's why I do not want you to be a lawyer. Be a teacher so that you'll be teaching in one of the local schools in town.
Keep quiet.
Will you people keep quiet?
My friend can never become a teacher.
Look at you.
Will you shut up? Come.
Uncle, you why now? Why will you send them away?
You are still sitting down, eh? Let me see you coming back to this house again. You are very stupid. Let me just see you coming back here.
Go and show us that mother, the man to kidnap.
Show us that person. Who is that kidnapper?
You see the man here?
Promise.
So this is the kidnapper.
So you're the one
Yes,
that
he was the one that kidnapped me.
Officer Papa.
Yes, sir.
What case is this?
This is a case of critical kidnap, sir.
You are very wise.
Thank you, sir.
Papa.
Yes, sir.
Your job.
Thank you, sir. So, young man, you have the guts to kidnap somebody's child, eh?
Can you imagine?
Yes.
No, sir. You are finished.
It's against the law. Do your job.
Yes, sir. Hey, so Uncle used to fear police. Nonsense.